Hey guys, it's Nikki and I'm live. We are live and I'm going to be out of here in like less than 10 minutes. I have to get my boys to their basketball clinic. Okay, so I told you Monday I would have the multiplication keys, the wrap-up keys, day one. I'm doing the book. 10 days to multiplication mastery. Okay, now y'all remember one of my sons did nunchucks with the multiplication keys and broke them. They won't be in until tomorrow. Thank you, Amazon Prime. So tomorrow. So I didn't exactly start using the booklet because you do need the keys. So what I did do, as we all should do, I pre-read the book and I was thinking of ways where I could really get the most out of this. My son does know some of his multiplication facts, but not all of them. What I'm always more concerned about is the vocabulary. Vocabulary is key because words are spells. Words can trip you up. So what I did, I noticed at the beginning of the book, they talk about key terms they will use throughout the book. And I wrote those key terms down. And I wrote them on, these are sentence strips, y'all. I got these from the dollar store, like right now. Now, these are old, but I saw them at the dollar store like this past weekend. And these are actually orange and yellow for like the fall colors. These strips, it's like 50 for $1. Get one, cut those bad boys up. And I like to use these for vocabulary words. We have a vocabulary or word wall. So, and this blue chart holder I got from Lakeshore like 10 years ago. And you don't need this. You can just, if you have a little wall space, you can tack this up, or use the poster, the blue sticky, looks like Play-Doh, to put on the wall, or you can put it on your cabinets in the kitchen, on the refrigerator, on the door of your child who's learning this. Shoot, you can put this on the floor. The floor that doesn't get a lot of traffic, maybe in a corner, and just put that little poster tacky, sold at the dollar store. It looks like chewing gum, but it's like little strips. Comes like 4 strips in a pack. Put those on the floor so they don't move around. Be creative. But having a word wall for vocabulary, I find, is very essential. When you know the words inside and out, you can't get tripped up on word problems, test problems, etc. So the words you will be using for this 10-day quick program is column, factor, row, digit, perfect square, product, equation, and the commutative property of multiplication. And yes, your child will be saying the commutative property of multiplication with ease. Now, just to let you know how important that is, when my son took algebra, the beginning, and this is the art of problem solving, which is probably the most rigorous courses to be taken if your son is really on that track for higher order level thinking of math. And they spend, and I'm talking about the Richard Ruziak, however you say his last name, algebra book, or pre-algebra book. They spend like 2 pages just on the commutative property of multiplication. So not too early to start them with those words. All right, so I wrote that down, set it up so it's visible, and then I just had my child repeat after me with syllables, just saying the words, just getting it to feel, just to roll off their tongue real easily, okay? Column, factor, or factor, column. Again, with me, any way to bring in kinesthetic learning, audio learning, visual learning, I do that. So all that to say, because I didn't have my multiplication keys today, we are starting tomorrow. But see, that was all a blessing, because I probably wouldn't have thought to do this. So we're going to have this as our aid, and we'll start our program with the book and the keys. And then there's the CD, and the CD just goes over the basic math facts with or without answers. So once I just pop this off so you can see it, then I'll be popping off out of here. Come on, y'all, don't break a nail. All right. Ooh, I'm hot and sweaty. So here you go. This is the CD. And then this is the track list. You see that? That's the track list. And then you can just play that. You can play that while your child is playing with Play-Doh or in the car. Repetition is key. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on there. I knew I owed you. Oh, real quick before I leave, 5:35. Look, when they say 10 days to mastery, it's because they give you a whole bunch of pages to do in one day. It's almost like Kumon. So you have 7 pages to do. I just paper clipped it just to let myself know that this is the work we're doing for Tuesday. And actually, I'm doing this. This is not in alignment with our Singapore math book. This is really going to be. I'm treating this like homework. But look, let me just show you day 1 if you're curious about getting this program. So that's day 1 right there. And then you use the wrap-ups 5 times and you mark the box each time you finish doing the wrap-ups. There you go. So you're just going down the columns. Then they have story problems, which I love because I love mathematical story problems, word problems. I love that. Anything that has higher order thinking is great. Still day 1. Okay, but the kids can kind of flow through this quickly. Just lots of different ways. Now, do we do what the book or the curriculum tells us to do? No, we make that bad boy work for us. So if you don't want to do, oh, that's day 2. So if you don't want to do all 7 pages in one day, you ain't got to do all 7 pages in one day. Do what works for your child, what works best, okay? You might want to do 1 page front and back each day. Just take your time with it. You know, you might want to extend it to where you do things on the weekend or make it something you do as like homework after they're done with their homeschool day. So however you want to do it, make it work for you. All right, I've got to get out of here. I will see you tomorrow with hopefully a demonstration with my child using the wrap-ups. So anyway, guys, oh, I forgot. Vlogtober, day 14. Vlogtober, day 14. This is Nikki with that Homeschool Live. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And take care. Have a wonderful week. Be blessed. Be productive. Be nice. Be nice to somebody. Find a female and be nice too. Okay? Or a male. But for us ladies, be nice to each other. All right, guys. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.